Teacher, greetings future government exam warriors. Today we are going to unravel the mysteries of scientific knowledge and temper. It's like preparing for your exams but with a special set of thinking skills. Student 1. What's the scientific knowledge thing? Teacher, fantastic question. Scientific knowledge is like the key to solving problems. It's about gathering information by asking questions and think logically, just like you do when tackling exam questions. Student 2. Why do we need to bother with this? Teacher, great point. Knowing how to think scientifically is like having a secret weapon for your exams. It helps you understand things better and approach questions with a sharp mind. Student 3. And what's the scientific temper? Teacher, excellent curiosity. Scientific temper is having an inquisitive mindset, asking questions and always being ready to learn new things. It's like being an exam detective figuring out the answers to tricky questions. Student 1. Can you make it simpler? Teacher, absolutely. Scientific knowledge is like understanding the rules of the game, your exams, and scientific temper is having the right strategy to win. Answer questions smartly. Student 2. Can you give us a real life example? Teacher, sure. Imagine you are trying to solve a tough maths problem. You observe the numbers, ask yourself questions and use your logical thinking to find the solution. That's using scientific knowledge and temper in action. Student 3. How can this help us in exams? Teacher, it's your exam superhero cap. It helps you analyze questions, think critically and choose the right answer strategically. It's about being a smart exam warrior. Teacher, alright exam champions, today our mission is to explore the realm of history with the skills of scientific thinking. Let's journey into the past together and discover the why and how of historical events. Student 2. Why do we need to think scientifically about history? Teacher, great question. Thinking scientifically about history is like solving a mystery. It helps us understand the reasons behind historical events, making it easier to remember and analyze them for exams. Student 3. How do we use this in our exam preparation? Teacher, excellent point. When you approach historical questions, think of yourself as a history detective. Ask questions about the context, reasons, and consequences of events. It's about having a methodical approach to understanding history. Student 1. Can you give us an example? Teacher, certainly. Let's take the Industrial Revolution. Instead of just memorizing dates and facts, be a detective. Ask why it happened, how it changed society, and what impact it had on people's lives. That way, you are using scientific thinking to understand history deeply. Student 2. So, it's like breaking down history into pieces? Teacher, exactly. Think of it as breaking down a big puzzle into smaller, more manageable pieces. It makes it easier to understand, remember, and tackle in your exams. Student 3. How do we start this detective work? Teacher, great question. Start by picking a historical event you find interesting. Ask yourself questions about the who, what, when, where, and most importantly, why. It's like peeling layers to reveal the story behind each event. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. I will clarify your doubt.